What's going on, everybody? Well, it's first thing in the morning. Sun's just starting to come up now. Down here on the Cape Fear. Water's pretty low today. Water temp is about 82, and the current's super slow right now. Just throwing a Strike King Banshee, Colorado blade, black and blue. See a lot of minnows jumping on top, so I might just switch to a popper. But early morning, I can't beat this black and blue spinnerbait. Hopefully, we get something this morning. Boost my confidence a little bit, and then we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. So I switched up to this Z-Man original chatterbait. I got a Rage swim bait on it. Just want to switch up colors. It's translucent skirt with a little darker skirt on the bottom. Water's a little more clear today than it was the last time I was out here. So I'm thinking that might have something to do with it. Fishing it on a loose speed stick and a loose speed spool. 7 foot, medium heavy. I have a 10-pound braid with a 8-pound fluoro leader on it. And I use an FG knot for my connection. Seems to work out really good now that I've got that knot down. I really like it. All right, so I've switched to a white and chartreuse spinnerbait. It's got a brass Colorado blade and then a chrome Colorado blade. It's a booyah bait. I believe it's 3/16 ounce. I haven't gotten any bites yet. Well, I've got those couple nibbles, but that very well could have been a branch too. So, just changing colors, seeing what happens. All right, so changing up a little bit, gonna go to some finesse fishing. So what I've done is I have a Texas rig here with a tube on it. Central Coast bass. He's like, you guys gotta flip tubes. So this is for you. I'm flipping a tube. I'm gonna cast it too, but we'll see what happens. Fish. Thank goodness. Oh, look at this little baby bass. All right, at least I didn't get skunked. So, Central Coast bass, you win. Ouch. So, caught him. Same colors as him. So bass eat bass. Got him on this Strike King White Max 3/0 hook, extra wide gap, and a tube, baby bass color.